Hello my friends, I'm going to be doing a traveling straight pour with Colourarte products today, but before I get to that, let me show you the dried result of the last one. If you missed the video, I will link it up above, but I am just super happy with the way this one turned out and dried. It stayed exactly the way I poured it, and I just love all the interesting shapes and everything that's going on with this one. I have yet to varnish it, but it's going to be really even more beautiful then. So today, I have forced myself to stay away from my favorite blues, using entirely different colors. So let me quickly explain what I've got. I am using Master's Touch Violet here, to which I've added a little bit of Black Violet by Colourarte to give it, darken it a little further and give it a little shimmer. My next color is Prism Pours Moody Lilac, to which I added a little bit of the Master's Touch Violet. Look at that. I didn't do anything to this one. This Colourarte's Fandango. Beautiful green with undertones of blue and gold. Next one is Baltic Amber, Colourarte. Next I have a mix of Soho's Cad Yellow Deep with Mayan Gold. And lastly, Colourarte Fandango, which is a marvelous, shimmery, kind of a chartreuse, I would say, with bits of gold and green in there, or blue and green perhaps. Lots of shimmer. Okay, those are my color choices. That's the order I'm going to fill up. I'm going to fill up 2 cups, and let's get to it. Okay, and here we go. I'm going to pour from this side where I already have a nice little stripy thing going on. I like paper cups that I can pour into a little spout. And here we go. That Fandango is not shy. And you can see how the colors are kind of melting into each other as you get down the bottom of the cup. And I wanted to avoid that using one large cup, that's why I did 2. So that I'll be able to pour off some of it anyway, although it's pretty. I like that. I actually like that. I'm not bothered by that. Let me start over here. I like that effect. Okay. All right, I want to get all the paint out I can to help. The stuff I'm going to scrape out now will help serve as a flow extender. It's not going to be anything that'll be left on. My friends, I am 150 subscribers away from 15,000. So if you're not subscribed and you like what you see, I would love to have you join my channel. I have over 400 videos now, so plenty to watch if you're new to me, and I can't imagine anybody has seen all 400 of them, so I do appreciate your watching, commenting, all that stuff. Okay, let's move this around and see if we get something better looking than what I'm looking at right now. Okay, I love this kind of feathery, or I don't know how to describe it. These pointy shapes, I really like that in here, so that I will definitely keep. Just gonna go get close to all the edges, and then I will work on the composition more. I have a coupon code for you to save 20% off any Colourarte purchase. I'll list it here on the screen and then also down below with all my information, my contact information, my website, etc., etc. Okay, I don't want to lose that. Come back. Oh, good. Oh, I like that corner. Look at that. I like that a lot. Okay, we've got to work over here now. Those are kind of fun. They look kind of leaf-like. I like that look. My recipe, I always share my recipes. It will be down, it was very simple. It'll be down below in the description box. You just have to scroll down to the bottom. Oh my goodness. I'm liking it. I have to work on this a bit. Oh, in this corner. So let's see where weight of the paint is. I can see it's right around here, so I'm going to take care of this corner, and then we'll go back and work on that, and then we'll evaluate the whole thing. Just take your time with the tilting. I love to embellish a lot of my pours, but this type is interesting enough on its own and plenty going on. So it's rarely necessary to embellish a traveling straight pour. Okay. I rather like it. Right in here was the end of one of the cups, and you can see how it kind of mixed together and made this kind of a brown color, but it's not, it works well enough with the yellows, the golds in here, that I'm not opposed to it, and there's really nothing much I can do about that at this point without sacrificing what I like on either side of it. So I'm okay with leaving that on there. This is an interesting area. I'm going to hit it with a torch and see if we get any cells. Of course, there's no silicone in here. I don't mean, of course, I like adding silicone, but I did not. Silicone gets a bad rap, but I like the look of it sometimes. Popped a few air bubbles and got a few little tiny cell looking things, but I think, bring that down. I think I'm done. I may run this off. I am going to bring this down to here. I took my gloves off. Just a little adjustment. Or not. That's everything else is moving but that, so I'm going to leave it. It's not that troublesome. Okay, my friends, let me bring you in for a closer look. You can see the wonderful shimmer in there from the Colourarte paints. This reminds me of a, oh, what is it? Bird of Paradise flower there. Those colors together. And look at that. Almost a braided look. Interesting. Okay. I'm going to call that done. Thank you for joining me, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you next time.